opening day. They are running fury. Look at it go. Here it comes. Wow, what do you think, guys?
Welcome back to Kerney-cation. We're here for Carowinds for opening day. It's been a really rainy day. The park opened at 10 a.m., but it's about 2 o'clock, so we've really been waiting on the rain to stop. And it's really a slight drizzle. I don't know if the camera is actually going to pick it up, but we're here. We're going to see what we can ride here at Carowinds, and we're going to hopefully stay dry here today. But we got our rain gear, so we'll be ready. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation.
All right, so we're here, Carowinds opening day. It's pretty rainy. We got the kids in their rain suit in the stroller. Crystal, we got our shoe covers from Amazon. These zip over the shoes, so we'll let you know how they work out. Never used these before, but back here at Carowinds. So we're gonna head in and see what we can ride. All right, we always like getting on a ride like the Carolina Sky Tower to get up high and get a good vantage point to look around the park. So I figured this would be a good time to talk about what's new at Carowinds this year. So the first thing that is new is Intimidator. This roller coaster right here is no longer called Intimidator. So if you saw our passholder preview video, I did ride it on Friday, but it is now called Thunder Striker. And we did see the old Dale Earnhardt car in the back when we took the tram over. So it's still in the park, but obviously they can't show it because they did not renew the licensing. Another thing that's new is the amphitheater down there. They're going to be doing shows this year. So multiple shows have been announced this year so far. So I think they're going to be filling the schedule, but some have been like Florida, Skillet, and a couple of others. So keep an eye out on that, and it's free for guests. So if you have park admission, you can go to the show. Another thing that's not necessarily new for this year, but the Hurler was closed during opening weekend because it is receiving a retrack. So they've been fixing it up, trying to smoothen out that roller coaster. And the third thing that's actually is that Vortex right here, this red roller coaster, got its original paint scheme back. So this was also closed during opening weekend, was not open yet, but they did add some new paint to this roller coaster. And not something actually new, but if you see flying cobras there, that used to be at my old home park, Geauga Lake. So that was one of the coasters that was transferred over to this park. And in Camp Snoopy, Snoopy's Junction is undergoing an extended closure, so they haven't announced if they're going to reopen it yet, but the amphitheater back there as well is closed, so curious to see if they're going to keep those rides this year or if they're going to do something new. Some of the rumors are for Project Sparrow, so this is a site permit that was filed in early March. Some of the rumors are that this could be a boomerang coaster, similar to what Kings Island is getting this year, and like the Good Gravy coaster out in Holiday World. But other than that, that's all that's new for Carowinds this year. If I missed anything, please let me know. Zephyr also hasn't opened back up yet. I don't know if it's just not ready for the rest of the season, but I'll be keeping an eye on that as well. And after this, we did go ahead and exercise our meal plan. So we got the All Park Passport with the meal plan for the All Park. So we're going to head right over to one of our favorites here at Carowinds, which is the Burrito Cafe.
actually started eating, but that's the size of my burrito from the Burrito Cafe. This is that walking taco. Kind of a mess in there, but
Very messy.
is it good?
It is good.
Okay, cool. My burrito's pretty good. You got the Spanish rice. Is it spicy?
No.
Oh, good.
And after the Burrito Cafe, we did stop by State Line Designs. This is in Celebration Plaza, so they did have some 50th merch left over from last year. So if you missed out and see something you like, check it out. And after stopping by looking at some merch, we did head over to Camp Snoopy and Boo Blasters. After riding the swings, we headed over to Boo Blasters. So this was actually closed during pass holder preview, and I really wanted to check it out this today, so we headed over there. We will be doing a review at Leonardo's for that new burrito looking thing there. It's a chicken parmesan piadina. I'm probably butchering that. So, but we did head over to Boo Blasters here.
All right, Boo Blasters, huh? Might be scary. All right, we just got off Boo Blasters. It was really cool. I think they redid this recently. They actually work. Like the one at Kings Island doesn't really work that well.
I've never been on it. So.
Oh, you've never been on that one? That one's not very good. But this one was redone recently, and the guns are really nice, and they like vibrate when you shoot, and you got like a digital screen for your score, so it's really cool.
It was cool. I liked it.
Yeah, and we walked on it. You know, the weather's been keeping a lot of people away, so it's a good day to come. So, but we're gonna go check out some more rides. All right, I'm here at Terminal A in Aeronautica Landing. This is, I think, the Life in the Clouds drink. It's pretty good. Strong, but good. It's expensive. They're about like $15 a piece. So just be prepared for that. But I give it 7 out of 10 Kerneys. It's pretty good. All right, honey, what'd you get?
I got the Pink Horizon. I don't remember what is in it except for maybe elderberry or something.
I'll put it in there.
But it was purple on top before I mixed it in. I like it a lot more. I tried the Life in the Clouds, which was good. Tastes like an electric lemonade. This tastes more like a lavender lemonade kind of a thing. I like it. It's like not too sweet, not bitter. I like it a lot. I'd give it like an 8 out of 10.
Nice. So this part is Beagle Scout Acres. This area is actually for kids 5 and older. They have a big sandbox, a little seesaw, like a little slide over here. Kind of cool. And that's where the big kids area is. And this is why we love Carowinds, because they have such a big park, play place for the kids, playground. So we'll let the kids burn off some energy on this giant thing.
After stopping by Fury 325, we did head home that night, but the next day we did come up here to Leonardo's on our last park day on Sunday. So this is on the meal plan, so you can pick your entree, pick your side, and you can also pick a dessert or a salad if you want. So they did have pizza, chicken tenders, They had that chicken parmesan like pizza roll, piadina, I forget what it's called. But here's the stuffed shells. Here's the chicken tenders. They had sides, the garlic nut in the middle, the potatoes, the green beans, and you can also get like a side salad too. They did have some desserts, so they had some cannolis there, some chocolate torte, tiramisu. All looked extremely good. Those would be extra. Those are not included on the meal plan, but we like this because we could stop and get my son pizza, and then we can also get the chicken parm roll, which was really good. So definitely recommend checking that out. Plenty of places to sit inside Leonardo's. Alright, and on our way out, I did want to show you where the Prestige parking lot was, the preferred parking. So you actually enter over by that booth there, but this is where it is. It's really close. It's on the side, the right side if you're coming into the park, but it's on my left if you're looking out. But here's the parking lot. It was really close. It was really nice. You can get into the park very easily. But alright, this was our last and final video from Carowinds opening weekend. We really had a great time staying at Carowinds Camp Wilderness, passholder preview, opening day, and getting a little time on Sunday when the sun poked out here. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation. If you're new, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.